If you're looking for a pair of headphones that can keep up with your busy life, it's time to meet the Anker Soundcore Space Q45 headphones. These headphones offer optimal noise canceling and up to 65 hours of playtime in standard mode and 50 hours in ANC mode. Plus, they feature a revolutionary double-layer diaphragm drivers that produce sound with strong bass and clear highs. They also have built-in microphones and an AI algorithm that identify and pick up your voice from your surroundings, so you can be heard in crystal clear clarity when you're taking calls on the go. They also have dual connection capabilities, so you can simultaneously connect them to 2 devices. The Q45 headphones are designed to be lightweight and comfortable to wear all day long. They have a sleek, modern design. The ear cups are made of soft, breathable material and have a padded headband that gives you extra comfort while wearing them. The Soundcore Space Q45 headphone is designed to make it possible for users to customize their listening experience by allowing them to adjust the amount of ambient sound that comes through the headphones. This feature makes it possible for users to hear their surroundings without having to remove their headphones entirely. Overall, these headphones are perfect for anyone who wants a pair of wireless headphones that won't let them down when it comes time for some serious entertainment or productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.